In the name of God, hi, I'm Mahdi Zare, and today I want to talk about heart and sneezing. Okay, many people think that sneezing stops the heart, but sneezing only slows down the heart rate. When you take a deep breath and hold it, contracts the muscles inside the chest and increases pressure on the lungs. In this case, blood pressure decreases and heart rate increases, but when we sneeze, our blood pressure rises and our heart rate slows down. Does keeping sneezing cause a heart attack? No, it doesn't cause a heart attack and prevent blood clot. Okay, thanks for Mr. Rezai. Goodbye, have a nice day.